Now we learn examples on the topic multiple angle. Before we proceed, dear friends, subscribe to my channel Omkar Engineering Classes. Press bell icon, like it and share it. We will see next example on the basis of multiple angle. Prove that cos 3a 3 theta divided by cos theta plus sin 3 theta divided by sin theta is equals to 4 cos 2 theta. LHS is equals to cos 3 theta divided by cos theta plus sin 3 theta divided by sin theta. LCM is equals to sin theta into cos theta. First term is multiplied by sin theta. Second term is multiplied by cos theta. So we get sin theta into cos 3 theta plus cos theta into sin 3 theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. We know that sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B is equals to sin A plus B, and sin A into cos A is equals to sin 2A divided by 2. Using these two formulae in above step, we get sin theta plus 3 theta whole divided by sin 2 theta divided by 2. Denominator of the denominator goes to numerator. So 2 sin 4 theta, theta plus 3 theta, 4 theta divided by sin 2 theta. Again for sin 4 theta, apply formula sin A 2A is equals to sin 2A is equals to, transfer this 2 to this side. So 2 sin A into cos A. Therefore 2 into 2 sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta whole divided by sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta get cancelled. 2 into 2 4, 4 into cos 2 theta is the RHS. Hence proved. Next example. Prove that sin 4 theta plus sin 2 theta whole divided by 1 plus cos 2 theta plus cos 4 theta equal to tan 2 theta. LHS equal to sin 4 theta plus sin 2 theta whole divided by 1 plus cos 2 theta plus cos 4 theta. LHS, in LHS there is 4 theta and on our RHS side there is 2 theta. So first apply allied multiple angle formulae for sin 2 theta. We know that sin 2A is equals to 2 sin A into cos A. A is replaced as 2B. Then sin 2 into 2B is equals to 2 sin 2B into cos 2B. Therefore sin 4B is equals to 2 sin 2B into cos 2B. Apply this formula. Apply this formula for sin 4 theta. Then 2 sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta plus sin 2 theta whole divided by 1 plus sine 4 theta plus cos 2 theta. Using formula cos 2a is equals to 2 cos square a minus 1. Minus 1 shift on the LHS. Then we get 1 plus cos 2a is equals to 2 cos square a. Then use this formula for first two terms of the denominator and common outside sin 2 theta from the numerator. Sin 2 theta into bracket 2 cos 2 theta plus 1 bracket complete whole divided by 2 sin or cos square 2 theta plus cos 2 theta. From the denominator, take common outside sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta into bracket 2 cos 2 theta plus 1 bracket complete whole divided by common outside from the denominator is cos 2 theta into bracket 2 cos 2 theta plus 1 bracket complete. In the numerator and denominator, bracket term is same, 2 cos 2 theta plus 1. Therefore, these two terms get cancelled and the remaining term is tan 2 theta. Hence, proved is equals to RHS. Next example, prove that sec 8 theta minus 1 whole divided by sec 4 theta minus 1 equal to tan 8 theta divided by tan 2 theta. LHS sec 8 theta minus 1 divided by sec 4 theta minus 1. We know that sec a is equals to 1 upon cos a. Therefore, 1 upon cos 8 theta minus 1 whole divided by 1 upon cos 4 theta minus 1. Taking LCM, 1 minus cos 8 theta whole divided by cos 8 theta. Again divided by 1 minus cos 4 theta divided by cos 4 theta. Denominator of the denominator goes to numerator, that is a upon b divided by c upon d is equals to AD divided by BC. Apply this basic formula. We get 1 minus cos 8 theta into cos 4 theta whole divided by 1 minus cos 4 theta into cos 8 theta. Then using formula cos 2a is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square a. Therefore, 1 minus cos 2a is equals to 2 sin square a. Instead of 2a, use 8 theta. Therefore, we get 2 sin square 4 theta into cos 2 theta whole divided by 2 sin square 2 theta into cos 8 theta. Then 2 get cancelled and a square is equals to a into a. Then we get sin 4 theta into sin 4 theta into cos 2 theta divided by sin 2 theta into sine 2 theta into cos 8 theta. Then numerator part, right hand side numerator part is 8 theta and denominator part is 2 theta. Therefore, instead of 2 there is a 4. Therefore, apply formula in the numerator part. 2 sine A into cos A is equals to sine 2A. Hence, sine 4 theta into cos 4 theta is equals to sine 4 theta into cos 4 theta is equals to sine 8 theta divided by 2. Apply this formula for these two terms. We get sine 4 theta into sine 8 theta divided by 2 whole divided by sine 2 theta into sine 2 theta into cos 8 theta. Sine 8 theta upon cos 8 theta is tan theta. Therefore, sin A upon cos A is equals to tan A. Using this basic formula for sin 8 theta divided by cos 8 theta, we get tan 8 theta upon 2 into sin 4 theta divided by sin 2 theta into sin 2 theta. Then apply formula sin 2A is equals to 2 sin A into cos A for the numerator term sin 4 theta. Tan 8 theta divided by 2 into 2 sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta whole divided by sin 2 theta into sin 2 theta. 2 get cancelled. Sin 2 theta get cancelled. And cos 2 theta comes in the denominator of the denominator. Tan 8 theta divided by sin 2 theta upon cos 2 theta. We get tan 8 theta divided by tan 2 theta. Hence, the example is proved and this part is nothing but RHS. Hello friends, if you have any query or you want to solve the sum based on the topic included in my video, you can send it on my email ID. Have a good day.